Hello guys, this is Earth Global, and in this video we are going to talk about Selaginella plant. What is Selaginella? Well, Selaginella is a moss-like plant of a genus that includes the lesser club mosses. Selaginella is also known as spike mosses. There are 700 types of Selaginella plants all around the world found. Selaginella plants often resemble ferns due to the pattern of their branching and leaves. They can either grow as an upright branching plant or along the ground with creeping stems. Roots grow directly from the stems of creeping plants. The leaves of Selaginella species are simple and scale-like. Their leaves have only a single vein and are known as microphylla. In some species, the leaves of shaded plants produce a blue sheen which often fades as the leaves age or the plant becomes exposed to light. The leaves that support the plant's spores are usually clumped together to form a cone-like structure called a strobili. Selaginella occurs mostly in the tropical regions of the world, with a handful of species to be found in the Arctic alpine zones of both hemispheres. In Sri Lanka, the Selaginella plant can be seen in the southern part of the country. Reproduction of Selaginella. The spike mosses reproduce with spores. They have distinct male and female spores known as microspores and megaspores, respectively. Spore and produced on leaves in closures called spogion. The spores of Selaginella species are both pollinated and dispersed by wind. During a drought, the plant turns brown and curls up into a ball. Once it is exposed to water, it slowly opens up, revealing healthy green shoots with its center. Unlike the other plants, Selaginella too have a life cycle. It is a free-living plant with a distinct root, stem and leaves, and it grows for a long time period. This is the life cycle of the Selaginella plant.